Hey, how's it going guys? Phil here, and this is a review of the T16 Smart Wall Outlet. You'll receive the Smart Outlet with screwless faceplate, which simply slides on and does not snap into place. You also get 3 wire nuts, 2 mounting screws, and a set of instructions. The electrical outlet has 2 grounded 3-prong sockets, oriented in opposite directions, 2 USB ports oriented in the same direction, and a power button in the middle. On the back of the unit, you have the specs, and the output is 10 amps at 120 volts, with a max load of 1200 watts. The USB ports can output a maximum of 3.4 amps across both ports. The 3 wires on the bottom are black for live, green for ground, and white for neutral. All 3 are required for installation. When removing the tip of the wire sleeve, I like to give the wire a quick twist to ensure the strands are tight, but you can also twist them afterwards. The instructions provide an easy-to-follow wiring diagram for installation, and also has a QR code to download the Smart Life mobile app to control the outlet over Wi-Fi with your phone or smart assistant like Alexa. I'm going to be replacing a standard dual outlet. First, shut off the breaker for your outlet, then remove the faceplate. Next, unscrew the 2 screws holding the existing outlet. Gently pull the outlet out of the gang box. Identify the live, neutral, and ground wires. It's best to label them to keep track, for example if the color coding is non-standard. Then remove the wires from the existing outlet. Attach the corresponding wires to the smart outlet with the included wire nuts. Again, neutral to white, ground to green, and live to black. Tuck all the wiring back into the gang box. Then attach the smart outlet to the gang using the 2 included screws. Lastly, slide the screwless faceplate over the outlet panel. You'll notice that the outlets protrude about a 1/4 inch from the faceplate. This is intentional, as the faceplate simply rests on the exterior and does not snap into place. The faceplate is also slightly smaller than my old one, so I'll need to fill in the gap above it with some spackle. Let's test it out. First, turn the power to the outlet back on at the breaker. Then plug a device into either outlet. You can physically switch the outlets on and off by pressing the power button in the middle. You can see that the plugged-in lamp comes on, and a blue LED illuminates behind the power switch. The same is true for the top socket. As for the USB ports, the right one has power, and the left one also has power, so everything seems to be working fine. You'll notice though that with the USB ports, no matter the status of the power button in the middle, they will always have power. They are not controlled by the switch, the app, nor Alexa. To enable Wi-Fi capability, press and hold the power button on the socket panel. The LED will start flashing green. Then, open the Smart Life app on your mobile device. Tap the plus in the upper right-hand corner to add a device. Then select Socket. Tap the blue button at the bottom for Confirm Indicator Rapidly Blink, and enter your home Wi-Fi network name and password. Then tap Confirm. The app should connect to the socket pretty quickly. The default name for it is Smart Wall Outlet. In the app, you can individually control the power for the top and bottom socket. Or you can control them together using the main power icon. To change the name of the sockets, tap the pencil to the right of the socket name. Let's change this one to Room Light. Now I can ask Alexa to locate the new devices. Alexa, find new devices.
Starting discovery. This will take a few moments. If you haven't already, please enable the Smart Home skill for your smart device from the Alexa app. I found 3 new devices. Try saying, turn on switch 2.
And issue commands for the individual socket names. Alexa, turn on room light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off room light.
Okay.
Or control both sockets by using the outlet panel's name. Alexa, turn on smart wall outlet.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off smart wall outlet.
Okay.
You can also set timers and schedules for the outlets individually in the app. Choose on and off times and days of the week that you want the timer repeated, or if you just want a one-off timer. Overall, this smart outlet was super simple and quick to install and set up. It responds quickly in the app and by voice commands and works exactly as expected. I hope you enjoyed this review. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put a link to the product in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join me next time.